Technician's Choice Turbo Cleaner is a 3-in-1 fuel tank treatment. It cleans valves, it cleans injectors, and promotes fuel stability. Turbo Cleaner features a double dose of cleaning and lubricating agents designed to help keep intake valves clean miles after the service is performed. Designed for all internal combustion engines, both port and direct injection, Turbo Cleaner's breakthrough technology allows it to be used as a maintenance or a cleanup all-in-one tank treatment. Directions for use: 1 bottle treats 12 to 15 gallons. 2 bottles treat 16 to 32 gallons. Add entire contents of 1 or 2 bottles to fuel tank. For best results, use every 10,000 miles or every oil change. Drive cleaner, drive smarter. Use Technician's Choice Turbo Cleaner.